everyone, welcome to our channel, Smalay Philippines. We're here in Mandaluyong, Manila, and we're going to show to you the river here in the mix of Pasig and Makati and the Mandaluyong. So let's go.
So many dresses.
But it's for, I don't know.
What guys, souvenir, we sell souvenir. This is Skyway. Ага. Pasig River, Pasig. Oh, it's so dirty because rain before. Heavy rain before. This rain, garbage collector here. Wait. Yeah, smell dirty. But way clean, yeah.
But also go here, near. So we go there.
Another side. Mandaluyong. This is location Mandaluyong, Manila. This is Skyway. Cars from Pampanga use Skyway, not only from Pampanga. How much gas in the Manila, Mandaluyong? $57 in Pampanga, 53. Little bit high. Aha, yes, also bus have, not on the jeepney.
Not bus.
It's good,
Bus.
yeah.
Minibus.
I think maybe in the future they remove jeepney in the road and only small bus have.
Academic. like school, college.
This college. STI. Maritime. It's for shipping company. Oh, so noisy with jeepney. Because before big rain. Today we stayed in this hotel, Sogo Hotel, because I'm busy in the Manila tomorrow. I need to go to the. Tomorrow I need so early in Manila. That's why we come to this place at evening now, and we go to morning to for my business. That's why we arrive here, come to the Manila. Yes, this way. Zago also here.
Oh, they have some
15 peso only.
Can we try?
Later, not now.
Okay.
We just finish it in the south.
What sweet?
Sweet for many, okay. Here already so many people. А вот Mandaluyong Public Market. Mandaluyong Public Market. Also gold sale here. Tired, Shaira? Next time you need walk, same in walking street. Not so fast. So this is public market. I want to see public market. Fruits also here. How much here? 25. This price good. Good price here. Nice. Meat also. This is already meat. Okay.
Finish?
Okay, let's go. Shaira don't like walk. So many gold. It's also print for document here. Bakery. Yeah, I know it's very popular in the Philippines. McDonald's. Of course, Shaira like McDonald's.
Of course,
Okay.
I work in McDonald's.
What you want to buy in McDonald's?
What do you want?
I don't want you.
Okay, I want coffee.
This is market. Marketplace shopping mall.